So, without more ado, let me introduce Christopher Dawes, Director NET LED Lighting, on why lighting has become why LED lighting has become the technology of choice for many commercial applications. But in fact, I've got it at home, and I'm sure many of you will have as well. So, Christopher, over to you.
Good morning. Can you hear me? Yes. Thank you for inviting me to talk today. My name is Christopher Dawes. I'm Sales Director at NET LED Lighting. We're based in Cambridge. The company was founded in 2009, and we distribute quality white light commercial LED lighting throughout the UK and Ireland, mainly through the major electrical wholesalers. We're also a member of the Lighting Industry Association. In the limited time available today, I will be presenting on commercial LED lighting applications, not domestic. So why has LED lighting become the technology of choice for many commercial lighting applications? First of all, it's to do with efficiency. A lot of conventional lighting is based on mains voltage gas tube technology, whereas LED lighting is much more efficient, low voltage, solid state electronic technology. Over recent years, the reliability of quality LED lighting has improved significantly and is now greater than 50,000 hours. Production volumes have increased massively, and good suppliers from reputable manufacturers include people like Cree, Bridgelux, and Epistar. And prices are being driven down due to economies of scale with the increased production volumes. This has resulted in LED now being accepted by various markets, and we're seeing them being used in a number of applications, including car lights, traffic lights, mobile phones, television screen backlighting, as well as in buildings. This growth is expected to continue year on year, and recent studies have shown that in Europe, in 2011, there were about €1 billion sales of LED lighting, with the expectation growing to about 9 billion by 2020. So, I'm now going to move on to some of the benefits of LED lighting and why it's become the technology of choice. Primarily energy saving, which means electricity cost savings, of course, and these can be typically around 60%, with the associated lower carbon dioxide emissions, making the technology very environmentally friendly. LEDs have a much longer life expectancy than conventional lighting, typically, as I said, 50,000 hours, and in many cases, and the luminaires are maintenance-free, can be maintenance-free, resulting in maintenance cost savings as well. This longer life also means fewer lamps to recycle, again making further savings on recycling and generating less waste. And the increased efficiency of LEDs means less heat output, heat that's not being put back into buildings, which can enable a reduction in the air conditioning with the additional energy savings here too. And this is particularly important, of course, for refrigeration cabinets and cold rooms. LED lighting doesn't contain any of the toxic chemicals found in fluorescent lighting, such as phosphor, mercury, and lead, making them more environmentally friendly and providing recycling benefits. And unlike gas tube lighting, there's no glass in most LED lighting applications, making the lamps less fragile and, again, easier to recycle. A lot of fluorescent lamps emit UV light, which damages health, works of art, fabrics, and other materials, such as insulation on wires, but LED lighting does not emit UV light. LED lamps can be cycled off and on quickly. They come on at immediate full brightness, so no warm-up time is needed. And another financial benefit is that quality LED lighting qualifies for the government's Enhanced Capital Allowance Scheme. Moving quickly on to some of the future opportunities for LED lighting. LEDs are low-voltage DC devices. We currently have to take mains voltage AC to low-voltage DC through a transformer or driver. In the future, premises are likely to be powered by a low-voltage DC network within the building, which may be generated by solar or wind. This will further reduce costs, removing the need for inbuilt power supplies and transformers, and increasing the efficiency. As I mentioned, LEDs are electronic devices, so can much more easily be controlled electronically, and we're going to see an emphasis on electronic controls such as presence detectors and daylight controls. And Wi-Fi has already been incorporated in some LED lighting systems, allowing the control of any lamp or group of lamps simply from a mobile phone. We have heard a lot about the Internet of Things recently, and lighting is one of those things. We are increasingly going to become accustomed to lights that communicate with each other, So, for example, they will sense you approaching in a corridor, and the lights will gradually brighten ahead of you and dim as you pass. Now for the brief commercial plug, if you'd like to come and see some commercial white light LED lighting, please visit us on stand M10. Thank you very much.